Good morning. So, today I am going to Puerto Lopez and I'm going to give a quick explanation how to get there. So right now I am in Montañita. Right there, Montañita. There is the town, there's La Playa, and it's very easy. So to get to Puerto Lopez, all you have to do is go to the main street for the town. There's the highway goes through the town, and here's the main street right here. Go stand in the direction of Puerto Lopez, which is to the north. So stand on the street towards the north, and you take the green bus. So once the green bus arrives, you just jump on. Tell them where you're gonna go, jump on, put your bag down, and then all you have to do is just sit there. The chauffeur will come and collect your payment. I'm not sure how much it is. It's only 1 hour, so it'll probably be like $2, $3, and that's it. And that's how you get from Montañita to Puerto Lopez. Remember, the green bus. I was told the name of the bus, but I already forgot. So all I'll do is just find the green bus. There's lots of taxis that keep honking to see if I want to ride, but I'm not going to pay $10 for a taxi when I can pay $2 for a bus. All right, cheers. All right, a quick update. So this is the bus. It's just going in the other direction, but it's the green bus, Manglar Alto, and that's the bus you take to Puerto Lopez from Montañita. So I hope this is a little helpful. Cheers.